Good morning, everyone. Okay, so in last class, you people have written notes for the lesson soil and rocks. So today also we are going to continue the notes. Okay, so please take your DVS classwork notebook and copy down the given topics. Okay, so after writing, just watch the video again so that I have I'll read the questions. If you find any mistakes, so please correct it. Okay. So answer the following. First question, what is soil? What is soil? Explain the process of soil formation. Okay. So what do you mean by soil? The topmost layer of earth's surface is called soil. You people know that we all living beings are living in the earth on the outer surface, isn't it? We are living in the topmost layer of the earth, and that topmost layer of the earth is called what? Soil. The soil is formed by the breakdown of rocks over the period of time, because breaking of rock is not a easy and fastest process. It will take so many years also, isn't it? So soil is formed by the breakdown of rocks over the period of time. The repeating heating and cooling of the rocks break down the rock into a fine powdered mass is called soil. Okay. So breaking of rocks is taking place for for so many years by the continuous of heating and cooling, that is continuous sun rays and rain also, isn't it? So both the for by these two things repeatedly it is taking place. By this process, that is called weathering, due to that weathering the rock is broken down into, it break down to small powdered mass, they are called as soil. So like this only soil is formed. Okay. Question number 2, why do farmers add cow dung to the soil? Why do farmers add cow dung to the soil? Why? Because cow dung is a manure. Cow dung is a manure. It enhances the fertility of the soil. What the cow dung it will do? It enhance, it enrich, it increases the fertility of the soil, and it also increases the yield of the crops. Yield means what? The productivity, the last product what we obtain, no, that is called the yield. The yield of the crops also, it will also be increased. Okay, so cow dung is a manure. It enhances the fertility of the soil. Due to the fertility of the soil, crop yield will also be increased. Okay. Question number 3, can plants grow well in sandy soil? Give reason. Can plants grow well in sandy soil? Give reason. So we have seen that there are three types of soil. One is clayey soil, sandy soil and loamy soil. Have you remembered that? Just recall yourself. So here they have asked that whether plants grow well in sandy soil. Is it? Do you think like that? No, it don't grow well in sandy soil. Because why? Because they are very loose particles. Where you can find the sandy soil? Because they are very made up of large particles, and the space between the each particle is also more. So water cannot able to, it doesn't has the capacity to hold the water, because plants need water. If there is no water, how the plant will grow? Not at all. So plants cannot grow well in sandy soil. Sandy soil is made up of large particles with lots of spaces. So it cannot hold much water. So for that reason, plants cannot grow well in sandy soil. Okay. Next, what is the importance of soil? What is the importance of soil? Soil is essential for the growth of plants. Soil is essential for the growth of plants. It provides water and minerals to the plants. It enhances fertility of the soil by adding manure. So these are the importance of soil. I repeat, soil is essential for the growth of plants. Essential for the growth of plants. It provides water and minerals to the plants. It enhances the fertility of the soil by adding manure. Okay, the fertility of the soil is also be enhanced by the manures. Okay. Next, how are rocks useful for us? Give some examples. We have seen there are so many different types of rocks are available, isn't it? So rocks are generally they are made of minerals. There are different types of rocks, example granite, diamond, marble, etc. So granite is used for making kitchen countertops and floor tiles in a home. Most of our home we have, in most of us we are having granite kitchen slabs and all, isn't it? Okay. Then diamond is used to make jewelry. In jewel shops and all, diamonds are they are using, and marble is used to make statues, monuments, buildings, etc. Best example, Taj Mahal, isn't it? That is fully made up of marbles. Okay, so these are the some different types of rocks and its uses. So these questions only are going to copy down. Go through the video again and check the spelling. Okay, I repeat one more time. First question, what is soil? Explain the process of soil formation. The topmost layer of the earth's surface is called soil. The soil is formed by the breakdown of rocks over the period of time. The repeating heating and cooling of the rocks break down the rock into a fine powdered mass is called soil. Why do farmers add cow dung to the soil? Cow dung is a manure. It enhances the fertility of the soil. It also increases the yield of the crops. Third one, can plants grow well in sandy soil? Give reason. No, plants cannot grow well in sandy soil because sandy soil is made of large particles with lots of spaces, so it cannot hold much water. Next question, what is the importance of soil? Soil is essential for the growth of plants. It provides water and minerals to the plants. It enhances the fertility of the soil by adding manures. Okay. And the last one, how are rocks useful for us? Give some examples. Rocks are made of minerals. There are different types of rocks. Example, granite, diamond, marble, etc. Granite is used for making kitchen countertops and floor tiles. Diamond is used to make jewelry. Marble is used to make statues, monuments, buildings, etc. So with this lesson has been over. Okay, thank you.